So this is a continuation video from the video that I have linked in the description box below. If you want to watch how we got to this point, go in the description box below. I've linked the previous video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to compile the robot that we just created so that it works with your MT5. So what we are going to do is we downloaded that robot in the previous video. So now we need to actually put this robot into our MT5. So I will just open my Deriv account, and you actually go to File and open data folder. In data folder, you are going to go to, this is where we are going to find the experts folder. So we're going to MQ5, we go to experts, we go in there. So you can see some of the robots that I actually have in there. So we are actually going to actually paste the robot that we just downloaded, that we just created, our Thunderbolt EA. It's now in our experts folder. But if we come here in our navigator, let me close some of this. A lot of work happening behind the scenes. You can see testing a lot of stuff to see what I can find for you guys, what works and what doesn't work. So let's do that. So if we come in here and we refresh, nothing is showing. Where is our Thunderbolt EA? Where is our Thunderbolt EA? It's not there. So why is it not there? Because whilst we added it to our experts folder, what you need to actually do is to compile it. So you are going to just simply double click on our source code for our Thunderbolt EA. Let's double click on the source code, and we are going to be taken to our meta editor for MT5. And when we come here, we can simply see the code that we got from our free EA builder. So you can see this is the code that moving our robot. This is all that's moving our robot. You can choose to remove some of this, but anyway, it's up to you. I will leave it up to you. The guys at that EA builder so says please don't delete this part. You can delete it, you cannot, it's up to you. I don't know, it's up to you. I will leave it up to you. I'm not going to tell you everything to do with your own computer, with or your own time. Just do what you want to do. So now that we have opened this code, we simply have to come to this button that says compile, because the robot, whilst we have it in there in this expert advisors folder, it's not showing because it's not compiled. That's why it's not showing. So we go to our meta editor for MT5 and we simply say compile. When the code is compiling, it's still compiling. Maybe I needed to show you something. Let's move this window up a bit. So when it's compiling, we are actually looking here because we want to see if there are any errors with the code or any warnings that this code has got mistakes or it's not going to work or anything like that. This is where you get those warnings. So let's do another compilation, and so that we just make sure that everything in this code is perfect for MT5, no mistakes. So you just compile it and it's generating our code. You see 0 errors, 0 warnings, and that's how many milliseconds elapsed to compile the robot. We are happy because it means there are no mistakes in this code. It does not mean that this means the robot is going to make money. No, the robot is going to trade according to how we said it must trade. If our strategy from the beginning is wrong, then our robot is what? Is going to trade the same conditions that are wrong. It's not going to change anything. But this is just to make sure that our robot is now able to be tried to. We can now edit here. So you see our Thunderbolt EA, our Thunderbolt EA is now available in this section. So all that we need to do is probably to find a pair that we can place our Thunderbolt EA on. Um, this is so this is Boom 500. Maybe we can test our Thunderbolt EA in with this pair. Actually, I've forgotten how much slot size I put on that robot, but let's see what we have, because Boom and Crash is 0.20. So we simply click on our Thunderbolt EA, it's highlighted, and we drag it across and we drop it. See our Thunderbolt EA. We allow algo trading and we go to inputs. Everything that we put when we're creating the robot, obviously we want to make sure that this is 0.20, because we are actually trading Boom and Crash. Let's see if it's going to trade, but we might need to place in a stop loss, take profit, and trailing stop. If it doesn't start taking trades, it means it's not accepting these zero values. It's something that I've just observed doing that. So we do that and we say okay, and we go to our algo trading and we say auto trading is live. See, immediately our robot has taken a trade. How wonderful is that? How wonderful is that? Thunderbolt EA is working. So if we go to experts, let's go to experts. We can see Thunderbolt. Thunderbolt. The Thunderbolt is in the building, ladies and gentlemen. So if we go to experts, you can actually see what's happening. If the robot is not working or encountering problems, when you come to experts here, you actually have sort of notifications of what's happening with the robot. But anyway, so I'm hoping that this talk has actually shown you something about compiling these robots, how to make them work. If you want to see how we created our Thunderbolt robot, just go in the description box below. There is a link to the actual video. You can use that as a guide to creating your own what forex trading robot. So we are, our Thunderbolt is now in a loss. I can tell it's now in a loss there, because price has sort of dropped. But anyway, we just used random entry conditions, but I hope it gives you an idea of how you can actually do this. You don't need to pay anybody. If you have a forex trading strategy that works, you can simply do this and you can actually make money. I think maybe in the coming videos, I think let's create more of these robots. What do you say? Leave your comments in the comment section below. I think, what do you say? Let's create more of these trading robots. Um, So if you have strategies, simple strategies that you think they work, simple strategies that you believe they work, especially on synthetic indices, because I also love trading synthetic indices, as well as normal forex. If you have strategies that you think work, your strategies need to be mechanical. We don't need discretionary strategies where you are looking maybe for a certain kind of move and reversal or something like that. What we are looking for are mechanical strategies like moving averages. We are looking for a moving average cross, or we are looking for an ADR to move a certain way, or maybe a stochastic to do a certain thing. Those are mechanical strategies that you can easily turn into these trading robots. So again, subscribe if you are new on this channel. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Like the video. It's just 2 seconds of your time, but it means the world to me. So just like the video, if you're looking to download stuff, there are links in the description box below. Visit those links and see if you cannot find what you're looking for. Otherwise, guys, I love you. Goodbye.